Pravesh Sharma. Today I am going to make our graph. Graph name is paper castle. Yay! For paper castle we need any two colors of sheets and one glue and scissors. So let's start the craft. I am taking the shape of the paper and we will apply this small door and windows. I am applying glue on this small door and now I am going to paste it on the paper. Applied door. Now we will apply 4 windows. I have applied windows and door. Take a paper and cut it like this. You can take your mama help. Now I will paste it here on this paper. I have pasted like this. Now we will apply glue here and we will paste from here. Now it is looking like this. I have made 4 like this. Now we will take a one sheet and apply door on it. I have applied door. Now we will paste from sides. I have pasted like this. Now we will take a strips like this, 4 strips. Now we will fold it like this from side and paste windows here. I made 4 strips like this. Now we will paste it like this. We will apply glue here and here sides and we will paste it here and here. Now I have pasted and now this is looking like this. I have pasted this. Now we will paste it on this sheet. Now we are going to take strips for sides. We will apply strips like this on sides walls. Now I have pasted all the walls. Now we will take a one sheet and make a cone like ice cream cone. I have made a cone like this and now we will put here. My paper castle is ready. Thank you.